Hello, welcome back to my YouTube space. If this is your first time here, my name is Shantelle. Hi, and I'm getting ready to head out. I'm gonna be doing this look. I'm gonna show you all the steps that I took to get this look, and yeah. Oh, also it's gonna be a voiceover. Yeah, girl.
You go out for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I think when you by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me, I be a adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, insult, oh. My mind as you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I
don't have time for it to be not coming out cute. Let's try putting the brown. The worst part is I'm gonna have to do this to the other side. All right, let me quickly figure this out. 1 second. Whew, I fixed it, thank goodness. I just added more of the deeper brown and then topped it off with the yellow that I was using in the day saved. Thank goodness. Makeup can always be fixed. That lesson learned. Okay, great, yay. This, I'm not supposed to be talking right now, so. Hey Siri, resume music.
Like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leg Ibona. Now so much you remake with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani Churu. My white dog in Fenisuru. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani Churu. My white dog in Fenisuru. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. If you would be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go job breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shy, yo. Yeah. I need people and shy, yo. I need people and shy, yo. I need people and shy, yo. Yeah. I need people and shy, yo. I need people and shy, yo. I need people and shy,
Gotta do a flash test, but I'll do that a little bit later. Let me show you my outfit. It's so cute. It's the final look. Basically, like the whole outfit, even the accessories. Okay, so some of the outfit and accessories, these are all from Shein. The top is from Shein, skirt from Shein, necklace from Shein from the men's section, and then these super cool spiral earrings, these are also from Shein. And then these sunglasses are so fire. These are from Amazon. Bag is Public Desire, and I just got it and like the threads are coming out and everything. Kind of disappointed about that. Monochromatic look. It's supposed to be Riri inspired, so this was not supposed to be my original look, but the Riri outfit that I had in mind didn't come together because the shoes didn't come to whatever. But I will still do that look, so be on the lookout. Probably this week. I'm excited for that. Anyways, this bag is still cute. It's supposed to be like, you know, the Bottega dupe, but the one that I could afford. Shoes, this is gonna be my shoes. These are from ShantelleOphelia. You can see it right there. These are so cute. And then they lace up as high as you want them to go. You see the shift in the shirt holds really silver, so that's why I decided to go with silver. And plus I really wanted to wear these because they're cute and they have silver chrome accessories. So yeah, girl. Thank you so much for watching. If you are feeling this vibe, go ahead and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.
Maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go job breakfast. Have to say bye bye, yo.